Welcome to my kitchen, and today we're going to make an Irish stew. I've already made the soda bread and I've put that aside. So rather than go through all the processing of showing you all the ingredients, I'll leave a link down below with the amount of ingredients that you need to make the Irish stew. Firstly, you want to dice and brown the meat. Remove your meat, do it in 2 batches, and then continue with your vegetables and then add the meat. We have completed our Irish stew and we're about to serve this hearty stew to my guests and my partner.
Joe, why did you say we have completed the Irish stew?
I finished cooking the Irish stew.
Oh, okay.
It's ready to be served and eaten.
It'll only be completed when we've fully digested it. Let's have a look. Yes, Jojo, it looks pretty hearty.
Bon appetit, guys.
Bon appetit, and we have Connie and Tim, but they're in our bubble, so that's okay.